again, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Rebecca here. And as it's the start of a new month, that means there's a new stash kit that had to be put together. So here it is in all its glory. I'm going to go ahead and throw stuff all over the desk. Yes, I am. Mess everything up. Oh, no. So here is, I went ahead and grabbed one of my page kits, and I had these beautiful sheets just sitting in there. I felt like they all came from the same two paper pads. Yes, they did. Maybe even the same one paper pad. Got a little bit more of a fall vintage feel this month. And that's because it's September. So this is the paper pad that they came out of. So since I only had that many sheets, I went ahead and just pulled the rest of the paper pad because you guys know that I do 2 videos on Wednesday with my stash kit, and there are 5 Wednesdays in September, which means 10 layouts. 10 videos, only 8 layouts, but I didn't feel like I had enough pattern papers here to get 8 layouts using lots and lots and lots of papers, so I went ahead and just pulled the paper pad as well, so we'll just leave that sitting up right there. And as you can see, that is the American Crafts Wildflower, and I got that from Tuesday morning, so I'm hoping to get a big dent in this paper pad. I mean, it is already well loved. I do just have my little iris container that I throw in each of my little bins, and I keep all of my collections in a 12 by 12 iris container. So these are just some photos that I pulled to scrap with this collection. So just some old ones, some vintage ones, some fall ones. Now I do have my desk drawer organizer here where you're supposed to put pencils and all kinds of fun stuff, but I use it for embellishments. So we kind of got the stickers, and I got some cork in here and some just all kinds of fun little stickers. I am not going to go through all of this with you guys. I'm just going to kind of, maybe we'll just let you see just a little bit of what's in there. There's a whole bunch of everything that you can imagine that I have pulled from my stash in hopes of getting it used up. Now these pieces right here are some chipboard cardstock. I have this random 9. Well, 9 or a, but it's a 9 or a 6. It's you know, acetate, so I'm not real sure. I have these little banner that spells out menu and a button. I have some squishy foam pieces here, like a random mouse. This is supposed to go right there. This is all the wood veneer that I have pulled. And then this is like a little sticker sheet. And these are all I have a whole bunch of frames over here. And the die cuts. That is what I'm going to be using to embellish. Doesn't look like a lot, I know. But I do have this fabulous little bin over here of items that I would like to get used up. Some 3D stickers, this like literally welcoming congrats, I'd like to get that used up, a whole bunch of twine, and those washi little tapes. Now as far as thickers, I'm going to pull those in as well. Sorry, they were across the room. So I have these fun little thickers right here in those 2 orangey red colors, and then 2 gold. So I'm going to try to see what I can get out of these. I may have to shake that up a bit and grab some more thickers. I may have to grab some more stash items, but I'm okay when I have to pull in stash items, when I have to go into my stash if I'm running out of stuff, because that means that I'm using my stash up. And as long as it's a stash piece and not something that I just purchased recently, which is not a lot, then I'm okay with it. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you would like to join me on Wednesdays in posting items that layouts that you create from the crafty materials that you have laying around your craft room, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will see you guys next time.